Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to activate exclusive weapons in Last War. In this video, let me show you how you can activate exclusive weapons in Last War. Now, exclusive weapons work as special hero upgrades, similar to tier shard upgrades, but not every hero has one. Usually, these are reserved for high-tier heroes like SSR and newer types such as Kimberly, Div.A, or Tesla. Don't confuse exclusive weapons with regular gear like cannons or railguns. They're completely different. To unlock an exclusive weapon, you will need 5 exclusive weapon shards specific to that hero. Keep in mind that general shards can only be used after the weapon has been unlocked. Also, your hero must reach 5 stars before you can activate their weapon. Once unlocked, you can upgrade the weapon using additional shards or universal ones to enhance its stats and special abilities. For example, if you've made Kimberly 5 stars and gathered her weapon shards, you see an option to activate her exclusive weapon directly on her hero page. And that's how you can unlock and activate exclusive weapons in Last War. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.